Welcome to your channel Joke Studio. Subscribe now for more. A woman is left a pair of parrots in her aunt's will and immediately rings the vet to ask him how she can tell which is the male and which the female. The vet tells her to creep down first thing in the morning and try and catch them mating. The one on top would be the male and she should mark him with some tape. This the woman does, and on catching them in the act, she puts a white tape around the male bird's neck. A couple of days later, the vicar comes to tea and, on seeing him, the male parrot says, "Oh, caught you too, did they?"